Hello guys, welcome to Android Studio Action Bar tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll see how to set a logo in Action Bar. So let's go on the project here. I'm on Android Studio project and here it is main activity.java. I already opened in my Android Studio. To set the logo in Action Bar, first will support the Action Bar. That is why I write the code inside on create method. Okay, first write here Action Bar and name it to a v equal get support Action Bar. For the first time it is show you this red warning, so that's why you can keep your cursor on Action Bar and press Alt Enter. Okay, so the Action Bar will be import here. Okay, so now let's do the code again. I'm right here this av, then dot set logo. Here you see set logo and it is displaying drawable logo. So set logo. Here we will set our logo. That is why right here r dot. Now you have to select from where you will show the logo. So if we notice here on MIF map there is an default logo. This is, so I will set it first for sample. That is why I write here r dot MIF map dot it is displaying IC launcher. Okay, and then you also see the icon here. Okay, then I will again write here av dot set display use logo enable. Set display use logo enable, and here we will pass the boolean, that is so write true. Okay, and again write here av dot set display show home enable. Also pass true here. Okay, our task is finished and now let's run this application. Alright, apps has started and you can see here the MIF map icon is showing as Action Bar logo. Okay, now see something more for Action Bar logo setting. Android has some default image assets and codes and some logos for using Action Bar launcher icon and tab icon. So where you will find this? First click here on drawable here and right click here, new, then image asset. So go to the image asset and here you will find, so it is showing us launcher icon. From drop down menu you can select Action Bar and tab icon. Here you can asset type here image, clip art and text. So on clip art just click here and you will get more clip art from here. So you can select one from here. Suppose I select this heart icon. Okay, you can trim it or not. Also padding you can select. Also the theme here, you can select the theme as you want. So here's a custom theme and you can set as you need. Okay, so I set it to red and here the name of this logo, so you can change it. I change it IC Action Bar heart. So same name has another icon, that's why I set it to love. I see Action Bar love. Then click on next and finish. So now let's click here draw village DPI, and you see I see action bar love here. So we can set it to the action bar here. That is why we have to change the MIP map to Drawable. And I see here you can set action bar love. Okay, now you also seeing the logo here. So let's go and see this. Alright, here the love icon on the action bar logo. Right, so let's another thing. Again, I'm just going to Drawable, right click here, new, and image asset. Here you can set image. So I will show you how to set the image on next tutorial, and in this tutorial I will also show you how to set some icon. So here on my folders I got some icon here, and you can download it from any other website from internet. Okay, so again here and click here, then where is your icon? My icon is into the his directory, Android resource, Android icon, and here. So which one I want to select from here? I again go here, I will select this t.png, right? So that is why come back to Android and select here .png. Okay, so you can crop this and you can hear the shape has. So this is launch icon. I will set it to action icon. Go to image here and select the icon from Edge, Android resource, Android icon, and then this directory, this t.png. Okay, it is here. So let's do it. You can trim or not and change the color, anything. Okay, so I just keep it hollow dark and keep it quite white. So and name it to IC action var chat. Okay, then click on next and finish. Okay, it is here IC action but chat. So we'll change it here from as I write here chat. And again now let's click here. Alright, we see this chat icon here as a action bar. Okay, now let's see another thing, how to change the background color of this action bar. So here on main activity.java again, and again set right here av dot right here set background drawable. From here you can write the color dot suppose I set here red. Okay, but it is not, so that is why we have to take here color drawable. That's right here new and right here color drawable. Okay, inside this color drawable I set this color dot red. Alright, now let's run again the application. Alright, the action bar color has changed to red, right? So okay, or instead of this color you can set different color as you want. So that's why you have to select the color code. Think that I wanna select this color on action bar. That is why this color here is color is on my values colors. Here I just set it name as sky, or you can copy this color by using pixie. I used pixie to take the color and press Ctrl Alt C. Okay, just this color has copied, and go to the main activity.java again, and here cut it and color dot right here parse color. Okay, inside this parse color quotation and write the code here. Okay, I set the color code here, and let's run the application again. Alright, you can see here this color is matched with this. So hope you learned something from this tutorial, how to set the action bar logo from map and from image asset or any default icon. Also how to change the background of action bar. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share.